Here's the problem. I have this new AC compressor and the fittings, you can see they're nice and flat. The old one has this piece right here to accept the hose. So I need to take this piece off, but wouldn't you know it, this screw right here does not want to come out, and I'm afraid I'm going to strip it. So I want to make sure that I have a good tight hold. I'm going to put it in a vise. So problem 2, this does not fit in here. Now I could try to grab onto this ear and stick it in the vise right there. But what I want is for this to be straight up in case I need to work on it with a drill or a die grinder. I just want to be able to push it straight down. So I do have some of this webbing, and we're going to cut a section out. We're going to use a water knot, which is one of the best knots for webbing. I'm just going to tie a simple overhand knot. Okay. We want to trace our webbing so that everything is oriented in the correct direction. No twists. Now I'll take this, I'm going to run it through. You see how this side's poking out? I'm going to just meet that side and run it underneath. And then as if I'm walking along a sidewalk, walk along the sidewalk, keep walking along. I'm just going to chase it all the way around, okay? And I'll do that until I get all the way to the other side, and I'll tuck it in on here. Okay. Now I'll just pull that tight, and this is going to hold just fine. We'll take our webbing, we'll go inside the vise, go behind the ears of the jaw, and we're going to run it over the top, and same thing on the other side. Okay, over here on the back side, just like the front, we'll just place it in. There we go. Now the idea is, as we close the vise, it shortens up the distance between the jaws and grabs the strap tight around our object here. So when the jaw is open, I want this strap to be nice and snug, and I'll tighten it up with the vise. So I'll have to adjust one of my runs through my knot. Now keep in mind, when you tighten up your knot, you're going to lose some distance in your sling, so you want to compensate for that. Okay, we're looking good in the front there. We're caught on in the back, looking good. Now we just need to tighten the vise. Okay, there that is. But since you're here, let's try to get that screw out. I'm gonna hit it with the punch. Maybe try to shock it into compliance. And this is where the real value is for me. I just want to try to keep it as vertical as possible so that I can get that good angle on it. It feels so loose already. Maybe I can get a better... Let's see, those are metric. Maybe since it's a little bit out of character there. Nope. All right. We'll give it a chance. Fingers crossed. That is so loose. I don't want to do that. This is a highly specialized mechanic tool. It's a piece of brake line with a nut and a golf ball, and you use it for stuff like this. There it goes. Yes. This thing did not want to budge. Okay, maybe we can find a better one. Okay, then you just loosen it up like regular. I'll slide the strap off the side. Woo.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to support my channel, you can visit my shop at awesomeforsale.com.